you guys, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. Thank you so much for joining me today. You guys, in the past, I have cut my bangs several times and I have always regretted it. But lately I've been like, you know what? I need a change. So I want you guys to take a quick look at my bangs and decide if they are real or not real. Pause this video and before you resume, comment down below what your guess is. Are these my real cut bangs? Or is this not real? I'm going to tell you a funny story. Some of you can probably relate to this. I have cut my bangs over the years probably 3 times, and every single time I'm filled with immediate regret, and every single time I tell my husband, don't ever let me cut my bangs again. And then of course you go through the tedious process of growing the bangs out. And lately I've been wanting bangs again. So I decided, instead of going through the torture of having all kinds of regret and being frustrated with myself for cutting my bangs, I just got a clip-in bang weft. So this is the bangs here with my hair up. I think it's kind of fun for something a little bit different. And of course I've got a pretty big forehead, so that's nice too, to be able to just change up my hair game and conceal my forehead a little bit. I think it's just a fun look for a change. Now this is like less than 20 bucks, I think. I will link it down below, and there are other colors to choose from. I think this color actually matches up pretty well for me, and I did style it with my hair down. I'm just going to put a picture here so you can see what it looks like with the hair down. So are you surprised that it's a clip-in, or did you guess that right away? Let me show you what it's like and how easy it is to put in. So it's literally just a clip. I'm going to just push up on the ends of the clip to release it and pull forward. So here's what I normally do, my everyday mom bun with my big forehead. And you know what? I don't mind my forehead. I used to hate it when I was young. You know, my daughter Bella says she has a 5 head like I do. And I'm like, well, if you have a 5 head, I have a 10 head. But I don't mind my big forehead anymore. It's a part of who I am. And, you know, I think as long as my brows are done, when I didn't have brows after my cancer, it just seemed like an expanse of space. But now that I have brows, it kind of breaks up, you know, the forehead a little bit. So this is what the weft looks like. It has this little clip here, and all you do to attach the clip is, once they're in place, you just press it down. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it on. It's super easy. And then if you want to adjust the length, you could trim the bangs, or if you want them thinner, you could take a thinning shears and thin them out, which I might do. And you can also adjust where they sit in your hairline. So if you want them really short, push it way back. And if you want them a little longer, keep it forward. So I'm just going to push in until I get the bangs to where I like them. Push down. And then adjust these pieces on the side. And I like to tuck some of it back. I think it looks more natural that way. And then I don't know if you can curl these. I'll have to check, and I'll make a comment in the pinned comments if you can give them a little curl or not. But I think I might take a thinning shears and just thin the ends so they're just a little bit more wispy. But I think it's kind of fun. I don't know. I think I'll wear this every once in a while. My husband is out for a hike right now. I might put this on when he comes home and see what he says, see if he thinks they're real bangs or not. Is it a dead giveaway? Do you guys think these look natural? There are a few pieces of longer hairs here that I need to trim off, but I think it's kind of fun, and it was super cheap. So I will link that down below for anybody who gets that urge like I do to trim their bangs but always regret it. This is a great way to go. If you guys like these really short videos showcasing some of the things I pick up, let me know. It's always hard for me to gauge if people like short format, quick videos, easy to digest, or a little bit longer videos. But I'm going to try to sprinkle in a little bit of everything. Okay, so what's your vote? Bangs or no bangs? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys next time. Be good to yourselves and to others. Go.